Liki, please.
Elsa,
Inday.
do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away.
We used to be best buddies, now we're not. I wish you would tell me why.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
Tawagin mo ka kung Ilsa, manalagot ka na sa akin, talaga. Eh, Ilsa ka na pala, hindi mo sinabi sa akin. Nagugla tuloy ako. Baliw ka, ngiti-ngiti ka pa dyan. Bakit ha? Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride our bike along the hall?
I think some company is overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls, hanging there, Joan. It gets real lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the Arctic lights.
Baliw ka. May Ilsa ka na pala, di mo sinabi. Masakit dito ha, masakit dito.
This glove will protect you. We still don't feel.
Hala na, hindi naman ako si Ilsa. Baliw ka. Sinungaling ka.
Do you
Naluloko.
wanna build a snowman?
Do you wanna build a snow, baby? Masakit. Sinungaling. Kapal ang mukha mo talaga. Hindi ako si Elsa. Huwag mo ko titigan ng ganyan. Sakit.
Elsa?
Hindi nga.
Please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been.
You say I've got it and I'm trying to. I'm right here for you. Just let me in.
We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman?
Sinungaling ka talaga. Inday to, Inday.
Okay, bye.
Bye din. Bye. Hindi ako si Alce. Ay, Elsa pala. Hindi ako si Elsa.